Hi everyone, good evening. So this is the second video I've made for the diploma course. And today I want to talk about three main techniques for reading. Number one, skimming. Number two, scanning. And number three, looking at the questions before you look at the text. Okay, so let's start with skimming. When we skim, we don't read the text in great detail. We kind of look over the text holistically. Now, the reason why skimming is so important is because you can get a general idea of what the text is talking about. So that's really useful when it comes to answering, these holistic questions such as what's the writer's main purpose, what's the main message, what are the main ideas in the text. So when you're skimming, you just look over the text as a whole. You can look at the headings, you can look at the subheadings, that sort of stuff, and that gives you a general idea of the text. Second one is scanning. Scanning and skimming are kind of similar in the sense that we don't look at the text in detail. We don't study every single word of every single paragraph. With scanning, what we do is we just kind of look for specific information. What I mean by that is that we know what we're already looking for. So a particular name, a particular date, that sort of thing. So, for example, if one question is when did the First World War begin, and in the text we've got 3 or 4 dates, we would go through the text and underline the dates, and then we would know which one of those dates was relating to the information that we're looking for. Now, that brings me to my third point, which is making reference to the fact that you should read the question first before reading the text. Why? Because if you read the text before reading the questions, you read the text, you get a general understanding of the text. But how do you know what you should be looking for? If you start by reading the questions and then you read the text, you know exactly what you're looking for in the text, and the answers to the questions will jump out at you. So a really good technique is to start with the questions first. Okay. Next videos, I'll talk about other techniques. But for now, I hope they're useful. I've been really happy with the work you've done so far on the forum and the tests. I think most of you are doing well. I think you're getting some good results. So anyway, good night, guys. Have a great week, and anything you need, please get in touch. Okay.